Hello Doge family, how are you today? Doge lovers, before going into details, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Together we will grow Dogecoin. What I say and my graphic predictions are always right guys. I hope it is useful for you. I will determine the buying and selling points for those who want to make short transactions. And I will tell you the important developments today. Elon Musk continues to confuse the Bitcoin and Dogecoin dilemma. The statements of Elon Musk, one of the names that marked the crypto ecosystem in 2021, continue to be on the agenda. Although Elon Musk's support for cryptocurrencies and especially Dogecoin interest are not new, Doge price was heavily influenced by Elon Musk tweets, especially during the 2021 bull run. Recently, it seems that Musk has greatly reduced his statements about Dogecoin. However, among the few shares made at this point, Musk seems to focus on Dogecoin developments. However, from time to time, the CEO continues to make different statements about Doge. Confused with the last sharing in his response to a Twitter post today, Elon Musk jokingly stated that Tesla can convert a Shiba Inu dog he sees on the road into Dogecoin. Of course, such a situation is not possible, but this statement has caused comments by some names that Tesla can mine Dogecoin. Although there have been rumors that Tesla will start mining Dogecoin and crypto money before, neither Elon Musk nor Tesla has made an official statement on the subject. Therefore, there is no such situation as mentioned at the moment. It should also be noted at this point that both Tesla's moves and Musk's statements in 2021 caused confusion. Tesla, Elon Musk and Bitcoin. Although Elon Musk's effect on Dogecoin price has been on the agenda in recent months, it is also known that Musk is an important Bitcoin supporter. Tesla announced that he first bought Bitcoin during the year and then stated that the cars could be bought with BTC. However, shortly after these statements, it was shared with the public that Tesla stopped Bitcoin payments due to environmental concerns. After this statement, Musk stated that with 50% of Bitcoin mining done with renewable energy, Tesla could accept Bitcoin payments again. At this point, some names express that Elon Musk is only manipulating the market, while others say that Musk is important for the crypto money ecosystem. It is thought that the purpose of Elon Musk will be understood with different steps to be taken. It's been a bearish start to the day for Dogecoin. A move through to $0.2150 levels, however, would support a breakout day. Dogecoin fell by 3.71% on Monday. Reversing a 0.98% gain from Sunday, Dogecoin ended the day at $0.2079. Amidst the start of the day saw Dogecoin rise to a mid-morning intraday high $0.2190 before hitting reverse, coming within range of the first major resistance level at $0.2198. Dogecoin slid to a late intraday low $0.2040. Dogecoin fell through the first major support level at $0.2113 and the second major support level at $0.2068, steering clear of sub-20 cents levels. However, Dogecoin moved back through the second major support level to end the day at $0.2070 levels. At the time of writing, Dogecoin was down by 0.27% to $0.2073. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall to an early morning low $0.2058 before rising to a high $0.2081. Dogecoin left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. For the day ahead, Dogecoin would need to move through the $0.2103 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.2166 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break back through to $0.2150 levels. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and Monday's high $0.2190 would likely cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, Dogecoin could test resistance at 23 cents levels before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at $0.2253. Failure to move through the $0.2103 pivot would bring the first major support level at $0.2016 into play. Barring an extended sell-off, however, Dogecoin should steer clear of the second major support level at $0.1953. Looking at the technical indicators, first major support level, $0.2016 pivot level, $0.2103 first major resistance level, $0.2166, 23.6% fib retracement level, $0.3016, 38.2% fib, $0.3859% fib, $0.5221. Guys, I'm not financial advisor. This video for education. Let's take a look at the agenda, guys. The developments in other coins today are as follows. What is the latest situation in Bitcoin, Ethereum and altcoins? The 13th of July 2021, Bitcoin, Dogecoin and Ripple. How many dollars? Cryptocurrency markets slumped to $1.4 trillion. So what's the latest on Bitcoin, Ethereum and altcoins? How many dollars was Bitcoin, Ethereum and Ripple? Here are the details. Cryptocurrency markets continue to lose value on the second day of the week. According to the data in CoinEcho, the total value of the top 100 cryptocurrencies decreased by 4.8% in the last 24 hours to $1.4 trillion. As of 8:40, Bitcoin lost 3.9% and fell to $32,929. The market dominance of BTC is around 44%. Ethereum suffered a huge loss today as well. The price of Ethereum dropped 7% to $1,992. Thus, Ethereum saw below $2,000. On the Ripple front, there was also a decline. The price of XRP fell 3.8% and fell to 62 cents. Dogecoin also lost close to 5% of its value. Doge's price was 20 cents. Record increase in giant whale event. Whale activity has hit its highest levels in the past 27 months. Wallets containing 100,000 to 1 million bitcoins rose to 3.64% of the total supply. The number of wallets that make up this ratio is 4. On the other hand, the rate of wallets holding 10,000 to 100,000 BTC is at an all-time low of 10.91%. Bitcoin follows a horizontal trajectory. Bitcoin has been moving in the range of $31,300 to $40,550 since May 19. On the other hand, looking at the current price action, it is seen that BTC is located in the lower region of the range of $31,300 to $40,550. Also, a bearish engulfing candle was formed on July 12 and a low was formed at $32,658. However, after the bottom formation, the bounce took place and BTC reached the level of $33,000. Technical indicators on the daily chart scale point to the bearish. The stochastic oscillator is very close to forming a death cross and the RSI is trading below the 50 level. In addition, MACD has short momentum bar. Therefore, if the close occurs with a red candle and a new short momentum bar is formed, a downward reversal sign can be seen on the MACD. Short-term outlook on price action. Looking at the 6-hour chart, it stands out that BTC is attempting an exit from the descending parallel channel. On the other hand, it is also known that the descending parallel channel has been maintaining its existence since June 15. However, if a breakout occurs, the bullish movement may end and Bitcoin may fall below the support line of the channel. Technical indicators on the 6-hour chart scale are also pointing bearish. Both MACD and RSI are bearish. Therefore, as long as BTC fails to hold on to the support line, it does not seem possible to talk about an upward trend. Bitcoin by wave count analysis. Looking at the wave count analysis, it is seen that there is movement within the descending parallel channel and the price movement within the channel follows a highly volatile course. Therefore, Bitcoin may be performing a correction. Price action forms a complex WXY correction. If there is a WXY-shaped correction, BTC could break out of the descending parallel channel and the price could hit the highs of the $31,300 to $40,550 range. However, it is expected that the support line of the channel will be touched once again before the exit from the channel, and in the process, the X wave of the WXY correction is completed. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.